vis-a-vis Israeli genocide in Gaza. The speakers hailed Iran's retaliatory attack on Israel on Tuesday night that came in response to Israel's breach of Iran's sovereignty and attack on its citizens and interests.
I feel sorry for the Arab world, particularly Saudi Arabia, for turning a blind eye towards Israeli genocide. It's high time Muslim world unites on the basis of faith and cooperate with each other to enhance the pace of economic and technological advancement. All Muslim countries should also constitute their own army like NATO. We are the second largest religion in the world with more than 2 billion Muslims. If we stand united, we can defeat our enemies.
The speakers also called on the United Nations to declare Israel a rogue entity for brazenly violating international laws and norms. They said despite global calls for ceasefire, Tel Aviv, backed by the US and its allies, has continued with its reckless adventure, killing civilians and bombing residential apartments with impunity. Participants here say Sayyid Nasrullah's assassination is undoubtedly a monumental loss for the resistance groups, but his martyrdom will only strengthen the resistance in Lebanon and Palestine. They also called on the Muslim countries to shun their differences and unite for the cause of safeguarding Palestinians and putting an end to the Israeli occupation of Al-Quds, housing Islam's third holiest site. Sayyid Safi reporting for Press TV, Indian administered Kashmir.